Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is probability part 3. After going through this course, the students will understand that probability is a fundamental concept in mathematics and statistics. It quantifies the likelihood of an event occurring. Probability represents a numerical value between 0 and 1. If we say that the probability of an event is 0, it means that the event will not happen or it is an impossible event. If we say that the probability of an event is 1, then it means that the event is sure to happen. If there is a probability between 0 and 1, something say 0.5, it shows the varying degree of likelihood of the occurring of the event. Probability axiom or probability bounds indicate that the probability of an event is always a value between 0 and 1, both inclusive. That is, the probability of an event cannot be termed in negative and it cannot be termed as more than 1. And the probability of an event is measured by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. Further, the probability of happening of an event, if added with probability of not happening of the event, the sum total of both, that is the probability of happening of event and probability of not happening of the event, is always equal to 1. Whether it is predicting weather conditions, assessing the chances of winning a game, or while making the stock investments in the stock market, probability is an essential tool that helps us in making rational decisions in situations where outcomes are uncertain or unpredictable. If the weather conditions are such that there is the likelihood of chance and the meteorological department predicts that there are the probability of rain, then naturally we will carry our umbrella with us, or we may postpone going outside because we may not be having any vehicle. Similarly, in the cases of making investment in the stock market, we take into account the possibility of the or the probability that the price of the share will rise, or the probability of the likely risks which we may have to face after investing. Thanks for, we may add that these are the details of the questions which you will learn or find out the answers of the same of all these questions. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.